Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is not a hotkey video. This is a text video. So I did a video just the other day, and I used this on my icon for my video, and somebody asked, where did you get that font? Or how did you do that? Well, I got it from DA Fonts. So just go to Google and start typing DA, and I use it so much. There it is right there, Google font, Google defonts. And I just typed in hot, just guessing, and I searched. And I picked this one right here called Hot Secretary. They're made by the same guy. I'm actually going to look at Hot Librarian, but I think Hot Librarian might even be part of Hot Secretary. So I'm going to go download, and it's going to come up with this zip and just open it. See, there's two of them. Extra hot. I did extra hot. This time I'm going to do hot. Just double click on it. Yeah, this is for lowercase letters too. So let's go back, because I really want to look at that other font. And let's look at Hot Library, and by the same young man. And we're going to go to the zip and open. And there's only one true type font. So I'm going to double click on it. Well, it's a little different, so I'm going to install it. But before you install it, remember the name is hot, is the key. Now it's installed. I'm going to go back to Corel. I'm actually going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and make two of them. I am going to go to Hot Secretary that I'd already used and look at it. It's called Extra Hot. Now this one, I'm just going to start typing. I'm going to delete the Arial. Type in Hot Librarian. Look at that. That's even cooler. Very cool font. Thank you, Jeff. I occasionally donate to people like that, and I might, because he's got two. That's pretty interesting. Now, how did I get the colors? Go to Object, Convert to a Curve. Go up here to left click, right click. Now you've got individual lines. I am going to go with that same theme of yellow, and I'm going to fill in all the parts of the H that should be yellow. This is a really cool font. I like it. This might even engrave very good with different shades of gray and black. Now let's go to the red, and you could actually, let's go to orange. Let's make it orange. And just fill in all the orange. Now, if you had a lot of this to do, a big word, it might be a little bit confusing or take up a little bit of time, but I might even try to figure out there's a little shortcut. And I missed the mark because I didn't zoom in, so it's putting orange everywhere. So do yourself a favor, draw a rectangle like I always normally do. And then fill all the little, man, that's some good looking stuff. Now it's really going to show up. And if I would have drawn a rectangle and made it black or any other really dark color, go to order back of page, look at that font. And there's so much we could do with this as far as interactive fill tool, but that's pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit and answered their question. Thank you for watching.